Hello everyone, welcome to my live session. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic: weakness, tiredness, and low energy. Something many people complain about every day. Do you know one of the most common reasons behind constant fatigue is iron deficiency? When your body doesn't have enough iron, it cannot make healthy red blood cells. As a result, oxygen supply to the body decreases and you start feeling weak, dizzy, or pale. Now, how do people deal with this problem? Doctors usually recommend improving the diet first, by eating iron-rich foods like spinach, beans, liver, or red meat. But in many cases, food alone is not enough. That's where supplements come in. One example is Sangobion Capsule. It's a supplement that contains iron, vitamin C, and B vitamins. Together, these nutrients help in improving blood health, boosting energy, and reducing weakness related to anemia or nutritional deficiency. But remember, supplements are not a replacement for diet. Always consult a doctor before starting any medicine or capsule.